Okay. Hi, I'm Samhaya, and I am trying out something new on Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Basically, I'm hoping it will take a few minutes. We'll see. And I'm going to try out a really interesting prompt. Um, Me as a mini logo Supermom uh, feature with my image. So I'm going to paste this prompt. Use the attached image of my face, create a realistic Lego style minifigure that resembles me. The minifigure should wear a halter neck purple dress with top supermom and black heel boots. Use my actual face from the image, but render the head in the traditional molded plastic Lego minifigure style. Place the minifigure on a bright wooden table with natural lighting. Keep the background subtle to keep the focus on the minifigure. Okay, so I'm going to attach my image. Where is it? Here it's. Patiently waiting. Okay, so that's it. And we're going to generate. Let's see what comes out. Okay, so while that's in progress, I'm going to explain a bit about Higgsfield. This is Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing AI video platforms right now. They just released something called Cinema Studio, and it's designed to do one thing really well. Let anyone create cinematic shots without needing filmmaking experience. The idea is basically simple. You start with a single frame, an image, like I did, and then turn it into a cinematic video. That's what's going to come afterwards. That's going to be interesting. Not just movement for the sake of movement, but actual film-like shots with real camera profiles, lens choices, and motion presets. So I want to test it out using a photo of myself and see how realistic and usable the results actually are. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is what came out. I don't know. I'm a bit disappointed with it. Not quite what I expected. I think I'm gonna try it out again. But I'm gonna download this either way. So let's see. Super Mom. Lego. Okay. I'm gonna try it. Let's see. I wonder. I'm gonna do 4, 4, 4. Um, hmm, let's play around. Different cameras, maybe. Let's see. I wonder if I should choose a different image. Okay, let's try this one. What makes Cinema Studio different from other AI video tools I've tried? First, it's one unified workflow. You're not jumping between 5 different apps, and you generate the image, then turn it into video all in one place. Oh, okay. So the second generation was better. I like this one already. It's more realistic to me. Oh, look at this one. Okay, let's see. I think I like this one the most. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Okay, second. Oh wait, let me label this. It- So that's my name. So hi, Supermom. Okay, second, real cinema cameras. You can choose profiles like ARRI Alexa 35. That's what I chose, if you saw earlier. or Panavision Panaflex. These aren't just labels, they actually affect how your shot looks and feels. Third, lenses matter here. You can dial in wide, macro, or intimate looks depending on the lens you pick. Fourth, movement preset. No keyframes, no timelines. You just choose the motion you want, like a push-in, orbit, dolly, handheld. It handles the rest. And finally, the output is hyper-realistic, like genuinely impressive detail. So let me show you. Okay. So now we're going to try. Okay, maybe I should play around with a few other lenses. Let's see. Let's see what other lens we want. Let's try this. Let's try the Panavision one. And focal length. Let's try this. Which camera? Ooh, let's try and see what comes out. Okay. One more, and then we're going to do a video. Okay, so I chose my camera. The previous one was Alexa. Now we're doing Panavision Millennium DXL 2. And we're generating with the same prompt and the same image. Okay, so let's see what we get. So the first one I tried, I wasn't so satisfied with. The second one, I like because it shows my freckles and it shows, my head wrap. I feel like this one is more realistic. Okay, and we're waiting for the next set off. Oh, I see. I see the background is different and the angle it gets it at. This is making it quite a difficult decision. Let's see. I like this. I like the angle. Okay, so we're gonna go with this image. And next we're gonna do we'll just Supermom. Yep. Now we're gonna do a video. It's gonna be exciting. Now here's where it's fun, where it gets fun. I'm going to take this image and turn it into a cinematic video. My image is now locked as the start frame. This keeps everything consistent. The AI won't drift away from how I look, how the scene is set up. Now I choose a camera movement. So let's try a slow push-in, classic cinematic move. Okay, I'm gonna upload the image. See, here I have a start frame and end frame. So my prompt is going to be based on the realities of being a mother and like cooking and being in the kitchen. So this is my prompt. Okay, so I'm just going to paste the prompt here. Lego minifigure superhero mom standing on a kitchen table. Dramatic low angle shots, red cape billowing, moody cinematic lighting, toys and kitchen chaos in the background, shallow depth of field, macro photography, heroic stunts, film grain, blockbuster movie style. I'm going to add a bit more detail. Okay, here. And then the end frame, we're going to add the end frame, which was this second one. I'm going to add this other detail. Slow dramatic push in toward the Lego Supermom. Cape gently flowing in the wind, soft dust particles floating in golden light, subtle camera shake. For handheld documentary feel, background slightly shifting out of focus. Heroic reveal moment. So let's see what comes up. Okay, it's going to take 32 credits to generate this video. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to generate 4 videos and I'll choose which one I like the most and see what else I'm going to play around with. Oh, so we can choose different camera movements. So we could do the next one, the next video. See what comes out now. Okay, this is the first one. Let's see. Ah, okay. This is very basic. Let's see this one. Whoa, here's the cape. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, they added some detail to the eyes over there. And let's see the fourth one. Okay. So I think I like this the most. Um, excuse me. Okay. So I'm going to download this one. Let's try a pen left. Gonna add a few more details and tilt up. No pen left. Okay. How many seconds? Make it 10 seconds. Do you want slow motion? Yes. I'm trying to think. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna take 72 credits. Okay, so far, what's that? I'm quite impressed that it doesn't take forever to generate a video. And detail is great. Quite realistic too. I'm just gonna review this again. The Supermom Lego movie coming up soon. Oh, okay. Okay. I just want to review these other videos and see what happens here. Oh, I think I like this angle better. Let's try this. Um, oh, yeah. This is the best. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. Okay, maybe we'll combine both of them. Okay, I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wait, I didn't look at this one. Okay, that's definitely not gonna work. Okay, so um, that one, I feel like this really captured the chaos of being in the kitchen sometimes. I love the background and what's flowing around. This one's great. Um, I put on my favorites. I like this one. Was it just the the fairy gold dust? So I'm going to speak more about Cinema Studio. What do I think? My take is I feel it's surprisingly powerful. I don't feel like it's trying to do everything. It's focused on one thing. And I think it does a good job. It does it really well. You get cinematic shots without technical overhead. Um, if you're a content creator, a filmmaker, or you just want your videos to have that premium look, this is worth trying. I'll leave a link in the description so you can test it out yourself. There's also a link to an AI movie trailer made with Higgsfield. Definitely check that out because it shows what's possible when you push this further. Let me know in the comments what kind of shot you'd make with this. I'm curious to see what you'll come up with. Um, yeah, I'm definitely going to be playing around more. I thought the Lego theme would be something that's unique. Mhm. Oh, that's great. Look at this. Yes, this one's awesome. I think I really like this one. I'm gonna add that to my favorites. So far, my favorites are this. It's like actually see the Lego moving. There's motion. This was pen left. This one's really great. And this one. This was great too. So, yeah, again, let me know what in the comments what kind of shot you'd make with this. I'm curious to see what you'll come up with. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
We have won, but at what cost?
Did you feel lucky, punk?
War. War never changes.